Navigating Athens? Avoid these 11 tourist traps. Navigating Athens? Avoid these 11 tourist traps. Don't limit yourself to the Acropolis. While iconic, Athens offers so much more than just its famous landmark. Explore the city's diverse neighborhoods and hidden gems for a richer experience. 2. Avoid peak hours at popular attractions. To beat the crowds and make the most of your time, consider visiting popular sites like the Acropolis and the ancient Agora early in the morning or later in the evening. 3. Skip touristy restaurants in Plaka. While Plaka is charming, many of its restaurants cater primarily to tourists. Venture further afield to discover authentic Greek cuisine at more affordable prices. 4. Beware of pickpockets in crowded areas. Like any major city, Athens has its share of petty crime. Stay vigilant, especially in crowded tourist areas, and keep your belongings secure at all times. 5. Don't rely solely on taxis. While taxis are convenient, they can be expensive and subject to traffic congestion. Consider using Athens' efficient public transportation system or exploring on foot to save time and money. 6. Avoid excessive sun exposure. Athens can get scorching hot, especially in the summer months. Protect yourself from the sun by wearing sunscreen, a hat, and staying hydrated to avoid sunburn and heat stroke. 7. Don't disrespect religious sites. When visiting churches and monasteries, remember to dress modestly and behave respectfully. Avoid loud conversations and be mindful of worshippers who may be present. 8. Skip overpriced souvenir shops. Tourist-centric areas like Monastiraki and Syntagma Square are filled with souvenir shops charging inflated prices. Seek out local markets like Barbakio's Agora for authentic souvenirs at better prices. 9. Don't ignore the street art. Athens is known for its vibrant street art scene, with colorful murals adorning many city walls. Take the time to explore neighborhoods like Exarchia and Syrai to discover impressive urban artworks. 10. Avoid dining in tourist traps. Some restaurants in popular tourist areas may prioritize quantity over quality. Research local eateries in advance or ask locals for recommendations to ensure a memorable dining experience. 11. Don't miss out on day trips. While Athens itself has much to offer, don't overlook the opportunity to explore nearby destinations like Cape, Saunion, Delphi, and the islands of Aegina and Hydra for a well-rounded Greek adventure. Find out more vlogs on https://www.souphats.com. May God bless you abundantly.